Please give a warm welcome to Mazda CX-5 Program Manager Kodama-san. Give you my left hand.
So, good evening and welcome everybody. So I'm Mazda CX-5, I'm a Program Manager for the all-new CX-5. So you may have recognized the extraordinary setup of our press conference today. So we wanted to focus on what's the most important for us, our customers, and their experience with our cars. So here, each stage represents a different type of lifestyle and customer with their particular requirement on the car. So you will see at the end, the CX-5 combines a lot of preferences in one car. So in the next minutes, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about our development concept and the product features, which are important for the customer like this. So the development of Mazda cars is basically based on the two basic philosophies and concepts. The first one is our human-centered philosophy. It is an extensive study of how the human body reacts to motion and movement, and how we bring that intuitive master feeling into our cars. So in a nutshell, we build our cars around the driver. And the next one is Jinba Itai. So it is Japanese terms which describe the harmony between horse and its rider. So, and a horse and rider communicate through feeling. That is how it should be between the car and the driver. So we realize this connection by refining the very several detailed areas of our sky-active technologies like engines, transmissions, and body and chassis. So doing so, the car immediately reacts to the driver's input. So all movement match the driver's acceleration or steering or braking input as precisely as possible. So more than ever, it has been made to match the human senses and sensitivities. So here you can see the powertrain lineup for European market. In addition to our Skyactiv G 2.0 liter petrol and Skyactiv D 2.2 diesel, now we will introduce the new 2.5 liter petrol engine. Cylinder deactivation. And it also adopts several measurements and a new innovation to provide excellent dynamic performance and fuel economy. So this cylinder deactivation system features enhanced combustion and reduced friction. So especially at the constant speed of around 80 kph, it improved the fuel economy by around 5%. So another benefit for our customers is that this system works really smooth. So it's hardly noticeable. Okay, so talking about our Skyactiv technology, we also should mention our Skyactiv body and chassis. So Skyactiv body refinement gives an excellent performance in three opposing areas. So collision safety, and a lightweight body, and the rigidity. So body torsional rigidity is improved by 15% compared to the previous CX-5. And together with the refined steering or damper or suspension, now we achieve the excellent steering handling performance with no sacrifice in ride comfort. Also, as I thought, you have seen the powertrain lineup. So the iActive all-wheel drive is available for the all-new CX-5. So this system constantly monitors road conditions and driver's intention. So based on this information, our active on-demand system can detect the wheel slip before it actually happens. So it then delivers a right amount of torque to the rear wheel before front wheel slips. And also this system has been further improved for the new CX-5 by adopting a ball bearing. So now the internal resistance has been reduced by 30%, and as a result, real fuel economy is improved by 2%. Okay. So another key aspect of for the driving dynamics is our intelligent G-vectoring control system. So which has been introduced to almost all models in all our models. So GVC enhances chassis performance by integrating the powertrain as a control mechanism. So simply said, when you turn in a corner, it slightly reduces the engine torque, and this shifts load to the front outer tire. As a result, delivers enhanced tire grip. And also, this system works very, very fast and smooth. You don't notice it. So the customer's benefit is more safe and comfortable ride. Okay, next. So the area in which we made the biggest advance over the previous CX-5 is noise levels and NVH performance. So here we want to create a space in which all passengers in front seat and rear seat could enjoy their conversation without stress, then enjoy the drive. So to achieve this, we analyze the noise of the original first generation CX-5. So the noise where it's created to passengers' ears. So we took steps to suppress the noise at source, then brought the passage into the cabin, then appropriately absorb any that does get it. So here you can see we reworked all these several areas. So like optimizing the shape of the parts, or make this gap between the parts, or height difference between the parts small. One example is we position the front wiper below the line of the hood. So now they are out of airstream. Means it doesn't cause any turbulence, so it improves wind noise. Another example, we installed acoustic glass in the front door. So especially at the close-up pictures, you can see the difference compared to the previous CX-5. And also, in the interior, we took several measures to improve the wind noise. Or the noise is down to the level where it doesn't disrupt people in the car. Also, I'd like to show you some metrics. So this is the ease of conversation metrics. So higher percentage is quite easier for conversation. So it's both among the front seat and among the rear seat, and also show that the gap between the front and rear seat. So left-hand side shows the original CX-5 2012, and the middle is the 2015 CX-5 upgrade. And the right-hand side shows the latest new CX-5. So it is obvious that we have huge improvement in the communication, conversation quality. Okay. So let me conclude my presentation. We developed this new CX-5 with a desire to provide every drivers and every passengers with a great driving experience. And with further improved our SkyActiv technology, we aim to achieve a closer bond, so emotional connection between car and the driver. That's what we call Jimba inside. And especially the NVH performance inside the cabin will delight our customers. That's all from my side. So let's see what the next stage will have for us. Thank you very much.